Mustang in a slow aileron roll. I love it when he moves. There's his point roll. He got off his own script, but he's the pilot. He can do what he wants to. Per hour. Stick goes over. There's 1, 2 to the knife edge, 3, 4 to inverted, 5, 6 to the right knife edge, 7, 8-point hesitation roll. Hesitating 45 degrees, every 45 degrees, all the way around the roll axis. The Czechoslovakian built LF-29. That's the first time I've seen that paint scheme. I didn't see it when he came in. That is gorgeous. Remember, and I gotta tell you, that is just cool. That is just that is a gorgeous, gorgeous paint scheme. Horsepower engine. And going straight up. Aileron rolls going straight up. Now he starts to tumble, tumble, tumble. Flat spin. Yes, pilots, that's the one you dread. That is a flat spin. He recovered from the flat spin using horsepower. Take your eyes off of him. Aileron roll is going up, up, up. We'll turn it. Pause. Now watch as the airplane is a hammerhead stall. He kicks left rudder. Roll and a half on the down line. Incredible. Alright, hanging it on the prop on the turnaround. Nose coming down. Straighten altitude for airspeed. Quarter roll on the down line. Watch him at the top. Don't take your eyes off of him. 1, 2 step rolls on top. And watch as he goes up. At the top, he's gonna hang it on the prop. Hammerhead turnaround. Straight back down at the ground, rapidly building airspeed, rapid building airspeed. Holy cow. He said that this airplane is rated for plus or minus 10 Gs, 10 times body weight, and in this routine he will approach that 10 G several times. A Humpty turn over the top. Point rolls coming down. yourself? He says, I'm a Christian and a patriot. And I said, well, that about takes care of that. Now tell me about the airplane. Once again, from the left, Wayne Robertson, the extra 330. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, hesitation roll. On the 9 batch, give him a great big wave as he goes by. That's an inertia maneuver, just the inertia. The wings were not providing any lift for that pass. On a North American AT-6. The Barnstormers flew, but they're not done. Smoke is still on. Straight down to 2 for airspeed, right about here. Nose will be coming up. Once more into Barnstormers loop. Don't think they're done. One more time. Nose coming up for the 3rd time. 3 consecutive Barnstormer loops. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome in the lead, Dr. Morris Ray from Memphis, Tennessee. And in trail, Dr. David Feeler in North American T6. The AT-6 and SNJ was essentially the same aircraft, different designations between the Army Air Corps and the Navy. Navy called them SNJs. This day are going to be T-6Gs. But the historians like to put them back in the colors of World War II to remind